Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change or set wallpaper in Realme Note 50. So for this, all you guys have to do just long press to home screen and we have three option appears. Just click on first one wallpaper and style. After that, you guys see we have this window appears and then click on change wallpaper. After that, we have on device default wallpaper. Just select it. We can also select my photos from galleries, but right now I am using on device wallpaper and we have a lot of wallpapers here. Just select any one of them which you like the most, and if you click on home screen, then the wallpaper is set on home screen, and if you click on lock screen, this wallpaper is will be look like this on lock screen. So after that, we have option of done or okay. Just click here, and then we have option you want to set the wallpaper: home screen, lock screen, and home and lock screen both. I am selecting home screen only, and that's it. So as you guys see, the wallpaper is now successfully changed or update. So through this method, we guys can change wallpaper in Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.